SUNY Albany will become the home of a new Center for Biophotonic Technology and Artificial Intelligence. Teledyne Technologies is expanding after a series of power plays, and Gorilla Glass maker Corning is responding to scrutiny from the EU after the opening of an antitrust investigation. These stories and more on Photonic Spectra Now. Photonic Spectra Now is brought to you by the Renard Corporation, perfecting your light. Visit renardcorp.com for more. And by Hamamatsu.
Indispensable to future social systems, to environmental issues, to industries such as healthcare and automotive, and to the creation of new industries. That is photonics technology.
Hi, and welcome to Photonic Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonic Spectra. Teledyne Technologies has entered into an agreement to acquire aerospace and defense contracts from Excelitas Technologies Corp. The deal is valued at $710 million. The agreement includes UK-based Qubitekk and US-based Advanced Electronic Systems. Qubitekk provides advanced optics for heads-up displays, tactical night vision, and proprietary glass used in space and satellite applications. AES offers custom energetics like high-voltage semiconductor switches and rubidium frequency standards. The deal still has some hurdles to clear, but is expected to wrap early next year. IonQ making big news. The company is in the process of acquiring quantum networking company Qubitekk, and it is also forming a partnership with both NKT Photonics and Ansys. These moves are expected to boost IonQ's position in the quantum market. The agreement to acquire the operating assets of Qubitekk should be closed over the next 6 months and will allow IonQ to add 118 patents in quantum technology. The Qubitekk team will stay largely intact, with founders and other high-level executives joining IonQ. As for those partnerships, the team up with NKT and Ansys will supply IonQ with next-gen laser systems and integrated quantum computing, respectively. Hamamatsu Photonics KK is acquiring BAE Systems Imaging. The move is being facilitated through Hamamatsu's subsidiary, Photonics Management Corp. BAE Systems is a California-based semiconductor manufacturer specializing in high-performance CMOS image sensors in the visible NIR and X-ray regions. Once the deal is completed, BAE will become Fairchild Imaging and will serve as Hamamatsu's North American design center for 2D low-noise image sensors. SUNY Albany will be the site of the new Center for Biophotonic Technology and Artificial Intelligence. The Leibniz Institute of Photonic Technology and the State University of New York at Albany made the announcement together at a joint event on campus. This new center will focus on developing solutions for medicine and forensics using photonic technologies and AI. Joint research projects are expected to begin early next year, with Leibniz providing the necessary equipment to be installed in SUNY Albany's laboratories. New workshops and conferences are also being planned for the coming year. Corning is facing scrutiny from the European Union following the opening of an antitrust investigation. Corning is a specialty glass maker providing break-resistant glass for an array of smart devices, including your cell phone. Photonic Spectra reached out to Corning for comment. In a statement, Michael West, head and VP of Global Corporate Communications, said, quote, "Corning has and will continue to be committed to compliance with all applicable rules and regulations where it does business. As part of that commitment, we work with local regulatory authorities to ensure open discussion and cooperation." And the finalists have just been announced for the 2025 Prism Awards. SPIE releasing their list of best new photonics products earlier this week. 24 are up for consideration, covering fields including quantum tech, biomedical, imaging, and lasers. A new category on the list of awards this year, optical materials and components. Along with the products being honored, 3 nominees have also been selected for the prestigious Catalyst Award. The winners will be announced at Photonics West in January. Have any news you'd like to share? You can send any story tips, questions, or suggestions to video@photonics.com. You can find all the details on these stories and everything else happening in the world of photonics. Just go to photonics.com. And be sure to subscribe to the Photonics Media channel on YouTube and follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.